everyone, so today's video I'm going to cook a pancit canton. This is flour noodles and have all the vegetables, meat, and then the soy sauce. Let's start cooking now. So I need to put first the meat. I don't need to put an oil. So here I don't put any oil, so let the oil from the meat. I cook it for the onions and garlic. Now it's lots of oil comes from the meat, so let's sit aside this one and put the onions and garlic. 1 glove of garlic. This spring onions, the root part. Onions. So let's do it like that. And mix all together. You can put any meat, chicken, any meat. You can put chicken, pork. It depends of you what is your taste. So pepper, we need to add a little bit of pepper, and then the salt, sea salt. Mix this one. And cover this one and leave it for around 15 to 20 minutes so that the meat will become very soft. So let's check. Oh, nawala na yung tubig niya. So lagyan natin ulit ng isang tasa na tubig kasi nawala yung tubig. So let's open again. So yung meat niya is really soft because very soft na siya. So lagyan natin ng carrots. And the green beans. So mix lang natin siya. Mix it. Soy sauce, let's add a little bit of soy sauce. That's it. Oyster sauce. Thick oyster sauce. You can add any oyster sauce if you want, but for me I use the Asian soy sauce, oyster sauce. Chili, it's called chili, or you can call this one bell pepper, red pepper. Yeah. Cabbage. So a little bit of cabbage. So the pancit bihon, I will start now the pancit bihon. So the pancit bihon, so let's put that one there. Not much, so I did not finish the whole pack. So make it. So here comes, guys. This is made of flour. This pancit bihon is not the same in the vermicelli. Flour is, yeah, it's flour. So here. So it needs this one until it's soft. It is ready to cook. It's ready to serve. Ready for my dinner. Here comes, guys. It's ready. 1 minute more and it will become soft, the noodles. And add the spring onions. Not this one, it's okay. Spring onions like that. Look at, guys, how juicy it is. Yeah, it looks like a wheat noodles. This is my own version. Everyone has different version of cooking. So that's cooking by me. Simple cooking. Now it's done, guys. Ready to serve, ready to eat, ready for my dinner. Look at the consistency. Look at how juicy it is. Really sweet. Because this kind of pancit canton is a sweet one. So this one, I show you the flour. This is the flour sticks pancit canton. So this is all the instruction. You can put any you can put prawns here, fish, any kind of meat, but I depends on you. What do you want? So yeah, it's ready. So I will test this one. Pancit bihon is ready. My own version of pancit. So it's ready, guys. Ready to serve for my dinner. So I will taste this one. I'll show you if it's. So this is my own version. Guys, everyone has different taste of cooking. So the meat is really soft, very very soft. It's perfect cooking by me. So now I will eat this one. So it's ready to serve, ready for the hot weather, guys. It's hot today. Yeah, and it's really clear blue sky. So I will taste it. So hi guys, so let's taste this one. Look at. I will taste it. Sorry for my English. Sometimes my English is it's bad, really bad today. Oh. Perfect. The meat is really soft. Wow. Can't believe I like this one. This is one of my favorite. Nice. Nice. It's perfect. It's okay. It's not salty. The soy sauce is absorbed. Anyway, I don't put any oil. This oil is come from the meat. I don't put any cooking oil. Look at guys, it's how juicy it is. Looks juicy. Wow. And the meat is really soft. It's mouth-watering. Sobrang soft yung meat kasi I cook this one for 15 to 20 minutes, yeah. Masarap. Sobrang sarap. Delicious. I can eat this one without rice. Look at guys. Wow. So I still have this. I have more. Then I can put this one in the freezer. Yeah, I can put this one in the freezer. I will separate this one by one. Then yeah, so that I have food in next week. Delicious. Super delicious, guys. Yeah, but my camera is not cooperating me. Really delicious. Anyway, I'm always cooking every week. But today, I think this is my favorite today. Look at how soft it is, the meat. Sobrang soft, lambot, malambot siya. Perfect. Oh my god, so delicious. So anyway guys, thank you for watching. I hope you click like and subscribe. See you soon in my next video. Second. Let's drink lemon juice. Perfect for the hot weather. Just perfect for the hot weather. You can sarap, sobrang sarap. Deliciosa. Very delicious. But you can put also prawns, shrimp, any kind of squid, any kind of seafood. You can put also this one. But for me, I just only choose one option today because I have prawns in the freezer, but I forgot to defrost it. So that's why this. So thank you for watching, guys. I hope you click like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. I really appreciate for those who are watching right now. I try my best to cook at home, but this is my own version, simple cooking by me. Yeah, simple cooking by Lilith. So thank you. Don't forget to click the notification bell so that you are updated for my next video, guys. So hopefully if I can go for a holiday soon, then I can have a nice video when I'm cooking. So thank you. Have a nice day or night, everyone, guys. For those any one of you who are watching right now, which country you are from, just comment down below which country you are. Then I will give you a huge shout out for my next video. So bye bye. See you soon, guys. Have a nice day and be safe. Thank you.